I blew out my account with a margin call. Just gonna let that be for the time being. I don't really want to show my other accounts on screen, so I have to move some money around back into this account. We'll probably take a break and focus on something a little bit more exciting, like me losing money in other venues. You know, because that's what I do best, right?
I just want all of the money. Do you know what I said? I gotta get the dinero, the cash, and the bread. Money. Do you know what I'm saying?
You know, I wanted to quickly talk about today something interesting that happened. A lot of people oftentimes ask me, how much money should I start trading with, or what's the minimum requirements? And I always tell them at minimum 30,000, and 30,000 is an outright minimum in my opinion. There'll be tons of other people that tell you the opposite. Oh, you need 5 grand, 6 grand, get started, try practice trading. But I honestly feel like the absolute minimum you should ever have in your trading account is 30,000. I tried to start this account with 30,000. I ran it up to 35,000, had just a chain of bad trades that just, I'll be honest with you, I'll take a little bit of ownership. You know what? I won't take a little bit of ownership. I'll take a lot of ownership. Every single trade I've done so far, I could have gotten out of a lot sooner. That I felt that was a mistake. My trades in Baba, I've been mistiming futures. I've also been playing chicken a lot in a lot of situations where I should have just held it in spots. I would have made money, but I chose to sell it too soon. But you know, you can very easily lose money in this market, especially the way I trade, and I have a very aggressive way of dealing with this account. Regardless, the reason I use the number 30 is because there's a thing called day trader margin minimum. It's a minimum margin requirement that you need to have as a day trader, and that number is $25,000. Now, when that margin is not met, when you don't have $25,000 worth of equity in your day trading account, they don't allow you to day trade. It's not easy. You can't buy or sell the same security on the same day more than 3 times in a given 5-day period. Don't quote me on the exact details, but essentially your ability to day trade is taken away. And I want to show you guys something. This is what ends up happening. I tried to execute 3 other trades today, and then I fell below this, and this is what a margin call looks like. So my broker canceled my trade, did not fill it, and left me a message saying, a day trader minimum equity call is generated. If your account has been identified as a pattern day trader, which I am a pattern day trader, basically what ends up happening is I can't day trade anymore. I use up 3 almost immediately from day trading. I've used up my 3 trades almost immediately for day trading. So I need to bring this account back up above 25,000. My actual account, this account is $28,777. It fell below $25,000 today. So I didn't put any more money into the account. It's just a chain of trades just went really bad for me, and a chain of trades went really well for me. Along with, I had a futures contract in Dow Futures that required a maintenance margin of another 3,000 or so. So this call was issued just because my account fell below $24,000. So you know, it goes to show you how much money, or how fast money really changes hands when you're trading stocks or trading futures. So always keep that in mind, you guys. I'm not trying to sell you some get rich quick mentality. I am not rich. I literally have grinded out trading my whole life. I'm not rich. I would say in countless spots where there was an opportunity for me to really get lucky, I just took the easy route and took secured income. I might stop doing that in the future. When it comes to trading, you know, there are tons of times where, you know, I could pick a spot to gamble, put a lot of money in, there's a good shot. And oftentimes I sell it when I made a decent profit, but I didn't really hold it long enough to get rich. And in the future, I plan on changing that mentality a little bit more now that I'm a little bit more financially stable. But you know, I've always used trading as a supplemental income more than anything else. So anyway, that's it for me for today. I wanted to talk a little bit more about a day trader margin call. I'll probably do a little bit of a post-op in my my dungeon room and talk a little bit more about that there. If you have any questions, let me know. That's it for me, guys. Bye.
I just want the money, 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 money.